Penguin Shotgun Baseball was my first game created with other game division members. The restriction we had when designing the game was that we were only permitted to use a single input for all the controls. The game itself is based off launcher games similar to such titles as Kitty Cannon, Toss the Turtle, and Learn to Fly. The objective of the game is to hit the penguin as far as possible so you can have it spend money to buy a bus ticket back to its home. With this money, you can either buy upgrades for your gun's batting power, upgrades to your ammo power, upgrades to your ammo capacity, or a plane ticket. If you buy this plane ticket, you win the game. I was the only programmer for this project, so any programming contributions were done by me. The map of the game, along with all buffs and debuffs, are procedurally generated. All buffs and debuffs have a rate of spawn per generated tile, level of elevation where they can spawn, a minimum distance between other spawns like it, and a minimum distance between all other spawns. All of these variables can be changed in the editor, so if the designer wants to add a new spawnable item or update any existing ones, they can do so easily. The shop itself is generated at runtime using a list of prefabs the designer can create. To make a new item, all that is needed is the item's name, its type, its price, and the image it uses. This information is simply typed into the editor, and when the game is run, the items appear. This allows for easy addition to the game in terms of purchasable items. Whenever the shop is opened, all shop data is read in from an encrypted file locally saved on the user's device. Whenever the shop is closed, this data is also written to that same file and then encrypted. This allows for anyone to play the game for a short while, then exit and come back effectively playing the same place they left off from. I thought about saving the entire game state, but since I only had about 2 weeks to finish this project, I did think this was out of scope. This was a fun game to work on, and I was happy how it turned out. If you would like to try out the latest build, click on the link below to play the game in your browser.